Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install CookieRun OvenSmash app from Play Store on Android devices. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open Play Store, tap on search for CookieRun OvenSmash and tap on it. And here you will see the install button, tap on install button. And you can see that CookieRun OvenSmash app is getting installed on my Android device. So just wait for the installation to get complete. You can see that CookieRun OvenSmash is installing on my phone. And then you can see the play button, so tap on play button. Now confirm your age, then tap on OK to accept term of service. You can sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, or sign in with email. I am tapping on sign in with guest. I am tapping on play as guest, and then you can change the language from here and then tap on OK. Now it is asking a additional download that is of 807.3 MB. So tap on download again. Now it is downloading the resource, and once this resource get downloaded, then you can go ahead and play the game. So I hope by following this step you can easily download and install CookieRun OvenSmash app on your Android phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.